Okay, so we're going to work with some simple text options, and what you want to do is open your character palette under Window, Type, and Character, and that will bring you this palette here. If you have a bunch of text and copy, some of the things you can do are, well, regardless of type, you can set the font size. Here you can set the leading or change the baseline, which just squeezes the baseline together as separate. Another thing you can do is change the tracking, which sets the space in between the letters, and that's right here. Another thing you can do is change the individual space between letters. That sets the kerning there, and you can change it manually in between each letter. Another thing you can do is put copy inside a shape. So if you build a shape, you'll see that the cursor goes from a square to a circle. The circle recognizes that the copy will be inside the shape. I just put some copy in here. You can type it yourself in there and then use your character palette to alter the text so that you can get the look that you're looking for, and it will automatically try to fit it inside the shape for you, which, you know, it takes a little bit of manipulating, but you know, you can figure that out how you want it. Some other things you can do, this will change it to all caps, this will change it to small caps. Superscript and subscript here, which if you click on the thing that you want to be superscript or subscript, all you have to do is click one of these buttons, and then you also have the option of changing the baseline of just that option to be higher or lower. Some of the other things that you can do, just like any text program, you can underline, you can strike through. The other options in here are, they kind of manipulate the text more, so this will stretch it the same way as if you were to just stretch it by pulling on the bounding box. This will alter it horizontally. I'm sorry, which you can also do by manipulating the boundary box. And then, not that you'll use this very often, but this rotates the individual characters certain degrees. You can also change the anti-aliasing right here to get a different look. You can turn it off, which I wouldn't, but you know, do what you want. And obviously, in this drop-down menu, as opposed to the one up here, this one you can actually see the fonts that you're looking for, whereas if you click on this one, you don't get a little preview of what they look like. You can also obviously change the options for the font, that's down here. And then any other options you have for text, you'll see up in your options bar right up here, which you can play with, or you don't need to touch it all. Okay, thanks for watching.